Digitization allows businesses to accelerate the pace of innovation, turning speed and agility into competitive advantage. This is the digital age where factories are connected smartly with high-tech solutions to better plan and manage resources and processes. Nowadays, manufacturers are embracing lean and agile manufacturing initiatives to improve inventory management and operational capabilities. Hi everyone, I'm Arvind, CEO of Copper Digital, a tech agency in Dallas, and today we'll understand that when manufacturing is experiencing an era of acceleration, and to keep up, here's something manufacturers need to adopt that welcomes change. Agile manufacturing is like a roller coaster ride for your production processes. It's fast, it's exciting, and full of twists and turns. But what exactly is agile manufacturing? Before we answer that, let's walk through a traditional approach that has been around for decades: lean manufacturing. Think of it like a reliable old car that gets you from point A to point B, but it's not exactly thrilling and might even break down in extreme weather conditions. Now, let's compare it to agile manufacturing. Agility in manufacturing is the ability to quickly adapt to changing market demand. It's the difference between being stuck with outdated technology and staying ahead of the curve. It's just like the shiny new sports car, flexible, innovative, adaptable, and can handle any curve that road throws at it. Agile manufacturing offers companies a more dynamic, flexible, and customer-centric approach to manufacturing, logistics, transportation, and supply chain management. It allows companies to stay ahead of the competition and quickly adapt to the changing market condition, leading to increased revenue and higher customer satisfaction. So, what's the key elements of agile manufacturing? First, there is customer satisfaction. With agile manufacturing, the customer is at the center of everything. Second, there is teamwork and collaboration. Everyone works together to solve problems and create the best product possible. And finally, there is the ability to adapt quickly to changes in the market. Let's say a company wants to create a new product. Let's call it Super Widget. With agile manufacturing, the team can quickly develop a prototype and get it to the customers for feedback. If the customer wants changes, then team can quickly and easily adapt and launch an updated product in no time. And if you see closely, agile manufacturing encourages experimentation and innovation, leading to new products and services that set the companies apart from the competition. Not just this, agile manufacturing helps companies optimize their processes for efficiency, which leads to cost savings and increased productivity. This includes optimizing supply chain and logistics processes for better delivery times and reducing waste in the manufacturing process. So if you want to take your manufacturing processes to the next level, it's time to embrace agile manufacturing. Say goodbye to the boring and hello to exciting with Copper Digital. We believe that agility is not just a buzzword, it's a way of life. We're constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible, using the latest technology and the most advanced manufacturing techniques. Trust us, your customers will thank you.